Fahim from India.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, what's the best thing to do if we are in a session or workshop and the adhan is being called? For example, it is between 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock. And if we are audience, and what if we have guest as well? What we have to do?
It's not that clear to me. If you're attending a session or a class and the adhan is called, what's mandatory upon you is to pray. So you have to attend the prayer in the congregation. If the masjid is within the vicinity where you stay, it's within 10 to 15 minutes walk, you have to attend it. If it's more than that and it's far away, then it's not mandatory for you to pray in the masjid. You can pray home, but you have to pray on time. If this session or class is so important and they don't allow you to leave and you must attend and you can't take like 5 minutes to pray outside, but you'll be able to pray after the session is over and the time of prayer is still open. It's not into Asr prayer, but there is still time for Asr. In this case, you can pray it afterwards, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best. And have you ever taken a counseling session with me? Go to my website and you will find counseling sessions and apply for one. If you can afford it, that's good for you. If you cannot, you're entitled for one free session. And this is for everybody. If they can affirm by Allah that they cannot afford it because they're poor, I'll give them one free session without a problem, a full half an hour. So come to me and let's speak about it, inshallah, within the following 2 days or 3 days. And bi'idhnillah azza wa jal, I will try and seek Allah's guidance to solve your problem once and for all, bi'idhnillah.